If you've made a sale on eBay but need to cancel it for any reason, such as an out-of-stock item or a buyer request, the process is straightforward if done correctly. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to cancel a sale on eBay as a seller step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to cancel an order properly and avoid issues with your account. First, open the eBay website or app and sign into your seller account. Once you're logged in, go to My eBay and navigate to the Selling section. From there, click on Orders or Sold Listings to view your recent transactions. Find the order you want to cancel and click on it to open the order details. Look for an option like Cancel Order or More Actions. Click on it to start the cancellation process. Next, you'll be asked to select a reason for the cancellation. Choose the option that best fits your situation, such as Buyer Requested Cancellation, Item Out of Stock, or Issue with the buyer's address. It's important to select the correct reason because it can affect your seller performance. After selecting the reason, confirm the cancellation request. If the buyer has already paid, eBay will process a refund automatically once the cancellation is completed. The amount will be returned to the buyer's original payment method. In some cases, the buyer may need to approve the cancellation, especially if the request is initiated after payment. Keep an eye on your messages in case the buyer responds or has questions. It's also a good idea to send a message to the buyer explaining why the order is being cancelled. Clear communication helps maintain trust and reduces the chances of negative feedback. Once the cancellation is complete, the order will be closed, and you can relist the item if needed. In this tutorial, we learned how to cancel a sale on eBay as a seller by accessing order details, selecting a cancellation reason, confirming the request, and handling refunds properly. This ensures a smooth process and helps protect your seller account. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.